Today should be fun. I mean, how dedicated are you? We can get through this. Dude, I think we make it happen.
Going for it?
Yeah, that's nothing. Dude, we have no options to do it. This is the best thing we've seen, yeah. Full send it. A little bit of a fine line between dedication and stupidity here. I'm up in Northern Illinois with my buddy Dan. Right now we're in denial that it is ice fishing season, and we're gonna try to take the little John for one last run, one last rip of the season. Launch the boat straight into some ice and see if we can find, are there pike in here? Muskie in here. Maybe some muskie, maybe some walleye, and then hopefully definitely some largemouth bass. But it's just a situation where it's less than ideal, but we're gonna make it happen.
I think you bent your license plate.
Good enough. The hard part is done. We've got the boat launched, just barely. Any more ice and there's no way we would have gotten this boat. Bit of a headache. Is it worth it? Maybe, maybe not, but we're gonna find out. This is crazy, man. I don't think I've ever done anything like this. Oh yeah, we're crushing through this, dude. Let's fish this for now. And try. This works. Okay, well, give him hell, I guess. Dan and I, or I guess I should say Dan, just made this little fishing spot for us. We're just weaving in and out, breaking this ice apart, and it's nice too because some of these pieces go up under the established ice too, so you get a decent amount of open water. The only downside is it's super loud, and while I don't really believe that fish have like legit ears, I know that it probably spooks the crap out of them. So we're gonna give this spot a try. Dude, this might be even too shallow. We can see the bottom right here. Well, we'll give it a go. We'll try it out. I'd like to find some at least like 10 feet, you know? First cast.
Fish on.
Dude, that was wildly effective. Not exactly the type of day that I had imagined or pictured when Dan and I linked up this morning. Of course that didn't work. We found that it was a little bit difficult, actually a lot of difficult to even make a cast. I mean, the whole damn lake is frozen. I don't know what we were thinking. We're just so ambitious. It's like cabin fever before winter even has rolled around. I mean, it's November. It shouldn't be like this. We should not have this much snow in Illinois, and there should not be that much ice on these lakes. Kind of bummed out that didn't work out. When you're crushing through the ice, A, it's too loud, B, you don't have enough water to fish, and C, we just don't know what the we're doing. We're gonna go to, we're gonna try the Fox, right? Yeah, I guess we're gonna try the Fox. I think there might be a hot water discharge there. At the very least, we have the advantage of having some warm water, but we're gonna get this boat out of here. This was a big, not a big bust. It was a nice try. We gave it a go, okay? We get an A for effort on this one. But I almost lost the boat in the process, and I almost lost my fingers. It's so freaking nipply out here, dude. It is cold. In all reality, I think it almost has gotten to the point where it's like we're trying to force something that may not be possible, but there's just something so rewarding about catching a fish when it is this cold, when so many people have put their boats away, hung their rods up, and gotten ready for the 2019 season. This is definitely gonna be our last spot. We're on the Fox River right now. As you can see, we don't have to break apart any ice, thank God, but we're gonna make our way down creek, down river, to a zone that I think maybe could have, if we're lucky, 1 or 2 smallmouth bass. Wish us luck. You ready, dude?
Let's go.
Last send. There's one. I'm on, dude, I'm on. Let's go. I'm on. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. What is it? What is it? It's gotta be a carp though, right? I wanna know what it is. He's still on, I think. I don't know, this is, oh yeah, he's still on. Look at, yeah, he's still on. Got braid, but I got an 8-pound fluoro as my leader. He's on this log right here. He's still there, he's still there. Hang on, oh, this is a shit show. I'm tweaking right now, bro. Pulling him up slowly. You saw flash? Oh my God, this is crazy.
I see your leader.
You see my leader? We're getting close.
Should I go down your leader? How long
Yes,
is the leader?
I would have to put the rod under the log, but then I don't know if that's gonna solve it. So you can push us off that log a little bit.
He's coming this way.
He's coming this way? You might have gotten him free.
Thank you, God.
There's my leader right there.
Yeah, he's like right under it.
Yeah, what the f?
Oh, that water's really cold.
I bet, dude. Nice job. Thanks for doing that.
Yeah, get it.
I cannot believe this fish is just still like.
I have no idea where he could be.
I don't know. You would think you'd see him, dude. My leader's not that long. He's starting to come up, dude. I'm at the leader again. I'm at the leader. Damn it. What was that? I'm gonna say big catfish because it felt like a bite. It was like an actual eat, or it was a rogue carp that like decided to eat it. I don't feel head shakes anymore. Like in the back of my head, I don't want to just break it off because like.
Right. It's like if he's still
Oh, he's still on.
Dude, he's still on.
He's still on. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
He's on.
He's still on there.
Dude, he's wrapped.
No way. He's still on there. He's still on there, bro.
This is insane.
Push us off a little bit. Let's go on the other side. You're f***ing right. He's still on, dude. How do we not see this fish? It's like what, like 2 feet? I don't think that's the log he's on. He's on something else that's down there. What the f do I do? Here, oh, give me that paddle. This is an Amazon trick. Okay, I'm gonna need you to hold this. And be ready if that drag comes out. All right. Let him take it, let him take it. Jesus, dude. I poked him, I think I touched him. At the very least, this is a great story if you don't land this guy. But if we land it, that'll be the most fucking epic on earth. Oh, he might be free.
Yeah, I don't think he
Hold on, just hold on. I'm gonna ease this line out. Yes, he's free. Just hold on to that line. Hold on the line. Hold on the line. He's free. He's free right now. Hold on to the line.
Oh my God. Good job.
Right in the butt though. But it felt like a bite. Dude, you have to admit, that's epic. How did we get that fish? Up top, baby. Not the way you want to catch a carp, but yeah, whatever. How did that fish stay on? How do we do that?
You got him in the tail.
Right in the tail. That felt like a bite. Well, this is the hardest I've ever worked for a foul hooked carp, but it's pretty epic, man. The fact that we were able to sit here on this log, how long is that? 15, 20 minutes? I can't even hold him. He's so freaking big. That is the hardest I think I've ever worked for a snagged carp. I thought for sure it was either like a big carp hooked in the mouth because they are known to eat like tiny lures like a Ned rig, or maybe a catfish. What's incredible is Dan and I were able to get this thing unraveled on this log with a paddle and just some light 8-pound test. It's not a really fair catch. I'm not really gonna count it, of course, but it's pretty freaking insane that we were able to land this. All right, I'm gonna put him back. Big old Bertha. It's a clean carp. It's a pretty fish. I mean, I'll take it. It's pretty epic. All right, I'm cold though, dude. It's like 20 degrees out and we are both just soaked. Soaked. Okay, there is no energy left for me to film anymore. We gave it our all. We tried, we swung for the fences. I can't say that it wasn't fun. It was actually pretty enjoyable. Anytime you go out when you're not supposed to go out, holy shit, I almost died. As an angler, you go out and you fish when you're really not supposed to. In other words, when it's just not the most ideal conditions, it can be fun. Unfortunately, today was not a case or scenario in which they were 100% hungry, but it was a funny day, especially that carp that was snagged in the booty. Oh well, it happens. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. I'm not going to be up in Illinois forever, but I'm going to be up here for the holidays quite some bit, being that Thanksgiving was just like a few weeks ago or a week ago, and then Christmas is coming up. Don't worry, the Amazon videos are still coming. Bryant is working on them. I'm also working on a few as well, so we're trying to crank those out. This is just a video, an in-betweener kind of video to set you guys up and let you know that all is well. And while the Amazon looks warm, this is not. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I appreciate the view, and I'll catch you guys next time. As always, folks, keep fishing. Never stop. That was not the actual, this is the actual outro. Ready? You gotta
keep fishing, never stop.